Hi, and welcome to another exciting edition of Is It a Function? Yes, the game show that allows you to determine if a graph is a function or not. And what we'll be using today is the vertical line test. Wow, yay, yay! So first I have the graph, 6 different graphs here, and we're going to go one by one and determine if it's a function. Remember, the vertical line test states that if you can draw a vertical line that passes through the graph at more than one point, then it is not a function. Alright, so here's our first example. Does there exist a vertical line that when drawn will pass through this graph at more than one point? The answer is no. So therefore, this is a function. Woohoo! Okay. Moving on to the next one. Does there exist a vertical line that when drawn will pass through this graph at more than one point? And again, the answer is no. So this is a function. So yes, this is a function. Example number 3. Let's draw a vertical line. Boom, boom, boom. Uh-oh, look! The line is passed through the graph in more than one point, so it is not a function. So the answer to that is no, it is not a function. Let's try the next one. Again, does there exist a vertical line that passes through this graph in more than one point? The answer is no, so this is a function. Our next example is actually a plot of a relation. Does there exist a vertical line that passes through more than one point? Uh-oh, we see here that this vertical line intersects our graph at here and here, so this is not a function. And finally, let's look at this graph. Does there exist a vertical line that when drawn passes through the graph at more than one point? The answer is yes, so this is not a function. So, check yourself. How did you do? If you got them all right, then look here. U-W-O-N. You've won, and we're all happy. Also notice that this is Shannon, S. I am not a function. Ah ha ha ha. And thank you for joining us for another exciting round of Is It a Function?